Not so bad now that the scenery has picked up.
Yeah.
All right, folks, today we're going to show you a little something different. We've got our GoPro 360 Fusion camera that we take all of our video in the cockpit, but today we're going to give you a mostly uncut 360-degree view of the approach into Key West.
All right, we got 26.5 miles to go, and we're still level at 3,000 feet.
Just scroll around with your mouse and swipe up or down or zoom in on your phone. That way you can view any direction of our approach into Key West. While you're at it, please hit that subscribe button, click the bell, give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment. Let us know if you want to see more of the 360 type videos. We certainly appreciate you watching. Thanks.
Beautiful, isn't it?
Chronos 10, multiple fighter traffic inbound to runway 4, Navy, circumnavigate Navy's class Delta to the west. We're making the turn now, Chronos 10, thanks.
We're going to have to fly out over the water away from the Navy if they got airplanes coming in. He just told this guy to circumnavigate around to the left. Was that?
Chronos 10, multiple fighter traffic. Charlie Delta 41, proceed direct initial runway 04. Chronos 10, traffic departing off runway 9 northbound momentarily. It's going to be a Sears. Thank you. November 2429 Golf, Key West approach, ident report 31 and away. Ident report 31 and away for 29 Golf. Charlie Delta 41, just going to maintain 2,500. November 2429 Golf, radar contact 1 mile north of Sugarloaf Airport, 800 feet.
Not another one.
2429 Golf, dang.
They only have a certain number of numbers today, and they all seem to be very close to our tail number. Oh, I get Cujo Key.
All right, let's look over there for the balloon.
Balloon, yeah.
It would be there.
It's 5 miles away.
14,000 feet up.
Chronos 10, report International Airport, insight when you got it. Chronos 10.
I don't see it. Should be right off our wing. It would be right there at that, probably that concrete facility there. Yep, don't see it today. It may not be up. It's not up all the time.
Yeah.
November 2724 Golf for transition through Navy's class Delta. Contact Navy Tower on 118.57.
118.57, 24 Golf. And Navy Tower, November 2724 Golf, level at 3,000.
Delta A1, yeah. Hold short. You'll be number 3 for departure, sir. Delta 41, did you call up, sir?
It's 2724 Golf.
724 Golf, Navy Tower, altimeter 3016, make your transition 3 miles south of the shoreline, and I need your VFR descent started to maintain out below 1,000 feet for traffic in the overhead.
Okay, 3 miles south of the shoreline, and I missed that last part about the descent.
You descend at or below 1,000 feet, sir, for your transition, sir.
At or below 1,000 feet.
And I think one runway 04, wind 350 at 13, clear for takeoff, change to departure.
Anthony, 4340 Lima with you. We're about 5 miles to the east. I'd like to transition your shoreline along the shoreline, and we can keep it below 300 feet if we can do the shoreline.
Was that 29 Golf?
4340 Lima.
340 Lima, ident. 40 Lima, roger, transition at 3 mile, correction, on the shoreline at 300 feet is approved.
40 Lima, shoreline 300 feet. Appreciate it, thanks.
40 Lima, can I get your type aircraft, please?
Flight Cessna 172/Golf Amphibian.
Thank you. Therefore, traffic will be a Flight 3 F5 departing, and departing correction 1 mile past.
Oh no, there's his runways right there.
Yeah.
There's where we're going, right over yonder.
So that's the former affirmative.
All right, we're only 4 miles out. Have you got the camera on?
Yep. Things should be on and running.
One additional traffic is RV-9, 4 miles south of field, westbound 1,000 feet. That's Charlie Delta 41.
Has international set.
Visual Lima, contact International Tower 118.2.
40 Lima, go on the tower. Appreciate the transition. Have a great day.
Go on. Number 24, Golf traffic is the flight of 2T45, the midfield downwind to runway 4, currently 1,500.
Yep, we got them inside, and we've got international inside.
Sure.
See them over there, midfield downwind, going back that direction.
Okay.
The 771 Navy Tower, short runway 04. The 41 runway 04, 136013, clear to land.
Oh, I got him.
Number 24, Golf, you can contact International Tower 118.2.
118.2, thank you for your help, 24 Golf. Key West International, RV-272, Golf is 900.
Sir, same position again.
Lock.
November 40 Lima, I'm sure enter right traffic forward midfield down.
Give me a call south of tower, 40 Lima, thanks.
Approaching altitude.
And tower, November 272, Golf at 900.
November 272 Golf, intersection Key West Tower. Report midfield down.
Okay, we'll report midfield downwind. I'm assuming our right traffic.
Affirm, sir.
Okay, that's good. He
Put a
turned
tank on the signature.
them.
Promise in, right at Delta, right Alpha, left Alpha 6, monitor ground 0.9 today. Alright, monitor ground, right on Delta, then left on, I think you said Alpha 6. Affirm, sir, right turn on Alpha, left turn Alpha 6. Alpha 6, thanks.
Switch fuel tank.
Always.
And Key West Tower, RV-24 Golf is just about midfield downwind for 9.
November 24 Golf, runway 9, clear to land.
Clear to land, 24 Golf. Alright, gas where I want it, undercarriage is down, mixture is rich, boost pumps on. Slow this puppy down. 1 notch of flaps. Airspeed's right. Alright, wind is blowing us away from the airport.
November 40 Lima, turn right to Delta, right on Alpha, left Alpha 6, monitor ground 0.9 today.
Ramp Alpha 6, monitor ground.
Cruise ship down there.
Yep. What messes up our view of the sunset.
Yeah. It won't tomorrow, so we're going to be on that boat, I hope. Alright, there's another notch of flaps. Big old birds there. Rest of the flaps in. There we go. Wasn't the smoothest in the world.
Well, you had some serious conditions to deal with.
Yeah, the wind's blowing from behind us.
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
All
we got a
right.
lot of traffic over here too. Alright, flaps up, boost pumps off. Oh, nice looking traffic over there.
Yeah. Eye candy.
I hope they got ropes. We didn't bring any tie down equipment.
And they did have ropes for us, so we were able to tie down. Guys, we appreciate you watching. We hope you enjoyed this 360-degree cockpit view of our approach into Key West. Please hit that subscribe button, give us a like, leave us a comment. You know the drill. Thanks a lot. We'll catch you next time. Bye.